Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you this. So this picture is taken by my brother. He's a great photographer. You can check his works on Instagrams. Links are in the description box. At first I have opened the rotate tool. Next I am going to use tune image tool, where I will change some values of contrast, highlights and shadows. I will keep my contrast in +12, highlights in -49 and shadows in -29. Then I'm going to use vignette tool and change the inner and outer brightness. I'm going to mask some parts where vignette will stay. Then I'm going to open up selective tool, where I will increase brightness, contrast and saturation for some parts like fields and skies and mountains. Curve tool, and I'm going to take the hard contrast, and again I will mask some parts of the fields. If you don't know how to mask, you can check my other videos on snapseed. Links are in the description box. And again I'm going to take curve tool, and I am going to take soft contrast, and again I will mask it. The values of structure and sharpening. So after all of this is the final output.